Good evening, YouTube. The next video I'm about ready to show you is a local car show that I was just at, and it's kind of a glimpse into my past or what I used to be into before MS. Thank you and enjoy.
How about you get this? Mike does lighter. He was going to Jesse Calvin. Yeah. So there.
It's Volkswagen.
Okay.
That'd be something I would do.
Back with the water.
I told him that too. I'm like,
Up.
Huh?
Did you set me up?
Yeah.
Oh, I gotta get a shot of this one. Beauteous. Did you see the trailer, honey? The trailer on that Volkswagen.
there. Right here, right here, brother.
Oh, they got the Steeda Mustang out here. Yeah, the Steeda Mustang out here. Right here under the tank. Guess I'm out with the bike. I'm gonna get a shot of this pink one up here then.
One car he almost got drunk by, that Aqua down on him after he got done racing. Fucking
Oh, Mustang. Look at that one.
Don't be a Ryan. It was literally so easy. I was just like, really hard. I was like, we're laying all this big ass bean bag. Like, that way. I was like, damn.
We'll go the other way. Yeah.
hope you're right.
Yeah, they liquidate everything that they don't sell.
read the front sticker.
In front of the grill.
See the paint on the top.
I really don't want to be that guy today.
Why?
I was that guy last week.
I'm so cool. Don't ask me, just do what you do. Meet me in the trail. It's going down. Meet me in the mall. It's going down. Meet me in the club. It's going down. Either way you need me, guaranteed to go down. Meet me in the trail. It's going down. Meet me in the mall. It's going down. Meet me in the club. It's going down. Either way you meet me, guaranteed to go down. Verse number 2, do the damn thing. Shoes on my neck, pocket full of big frame. When I'm in the mall, I won't just call. I pop a few tags, give me that on the wall. Trying to flip the work, make the block bump. Boys in the hood, call me Jack on the truck. Dope boy, man, it's 7 days a week. Number 1 rep, the longest nitty on the beat. Do I think they like me? Yeah, yet I know. Lights, camera, action when I walk through the door. Throw my crew, we certified stars. Down in the front, up 35 gloves. In the back, say it to my face. Keep it knuckle up anytime, any place. Meet me in the trail. It's going down.
Did you see where it said podcast at in the bear?
Huh?
I said, did you see where it said podcast back in the other thing? I'll show you then. My friend was there. I want to get him to open his car up. I didn't realize how big this was. Had gotten anyway.
How you doing, sir?
Stop!
Sure what you were doing?
Got an LSA motor.
I saw you. Stop. Stop. I'll stop you. I'll stop you if you don't stop.
And I realized it wasn't a hole in the floor. And I opened the door and the water was like, I'm gonna drill.
There she is, my dream ride right there. So there's my dream ride right there. Right there.
I am. Is that your only job? Yeah.
Makes me want to sit that line now.
Oh, you're already on your way.
Huh?
You're already on your way.
That's supposed to come out.
You got the exhaust and headers on it already. Intake.
stops every 2 seconds.